In this video, we will explore 5 powerful Framer plugins that can supercharge your workflow and boost your productivity. I'm Imran from Cycloto, and let's get started. The first plugin on our list is Renamer, an amazing tool, especially useful as your projects grow. Often, we need to rename layers or frames to stay organized or meet the project requirements. Renaming each layer manually can be time consuming and repetitive, but this is where Renamer shines. For example, I've stacked all headlines and sub-headlines in this project, labeled as headline and sub-headline. If I need to rename this across the project, instead of going through each and one individually, I simply open Renamer, double click on it, copy the text, click on this plugin and type Renamer. Paste our text and type the new ones. I'm naming it H2. Click rename, wait a few seconds and boom. As you can see, each and every layer are updated automatically. Plus, Renamer makes it easy to navigate and find layers, and even can help with automatic cleanup, keeping your projects tidy and organized. The second plugin on our list is LottieFiles. With this plugin, you don't need to leave Framer to create animations. You can do it all right on the canvas. Just open the plugin, click this plugin, type LottieFiles, open the plugin and search for the animation you want. You can change the color here, or they have a new palette. You can add your custom palettes. You can change the speed here, and once you're done, click insert animation. Let me add this file on our desktop to preview it. And there you have it. LottieFiles animation are super lightweight, so they keep your web page fast and responsive without adding extra load. Plugin number 3 is CMS Export, a real lifesaver when you need to export CMS collection across projects. For tasks like updating projects or testing new layouts, manually copying each blog or collection can be time consuming and frustrating. But with CMS Export, it's a breeze. Just open it, select your collection, click export, and that's it. It saves your hours of work. When re-importing, click this plus, add collection, name your collection. I'm naming it blog test, and ensure each field name matches the original collection exactly. This field. So I'm only adding this image field to make this tutorial short. Now click on this plugin, CSV import, upload file, and upload our blog. Allow some time for the upload, and just like that, your entire collection is back. Iconstack is the ultimate icon library for Framer, offering over 40,000 icons from 20 plus free and open source pack. Let's create a frame. Click this plugin, search for Iconstack, and you will find every type of icon here. You can customize each icon's size and colors to fit your design perfectly. Let's add an icon. Click this insert. And that's it. It's as simple as that. Unlike material icons or phosphor icons in Framer insert menu, here you have to find icon by name, but Iconstack lets you find icons visually. This makes finding the perfect icon faster and easier. The last plugin on our list is Lummi. You can find the plugin by fill, image, plugins, and here, or you can simply find the plugin by typing Lummi here. While Framer has built-in Unsplash support, Unsplash doesn't include illustration or 3D images, so we often end up searching other sites and downloading content manually. Lummi solved this by offering high-quality 3D images and illustrations and regular photos as well, all within Framer, just like Unsplash. In fact, the images I used in my previous video were from Lummi, so you can get a sense of the quality. To use Lummi, create a frame and click this photo. That's how easy to use Lummi. That wraps our list of 5 essential Framer plugins. There are plenty of other fantastic plugins like Google Search Console, Notion, and HubSpot. But these 5 have been our go-to since Framer introduced plugins, helping us boost productivity significantly. We highly recommend giving them a try. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video inshallah.